Welcome to Fun with Flags. I mean, Fun with Lighthouses.
What?
The Outer Banks are barrier islands off the coast of North Carolina.
The Outer Banks has recently become popular due to the television series The Outer Banks.
Even though it was filmed in Charleston, South Carolina.
So we did a little research on the Outer Banks to find out what were some things that the area is known for. We stumbled upon lighthouses. There are many lighthouses in the Outer Banks due to the dangerous shipping conditions.
Thinking about these lighthouses really reminds me of my childhood, the Whitefish Bay White House, and that really reminds me of the Edmund Fitzgerald, which was a big deal when I was a kid.
The legend lives on from the Chihuahua down to the big thing will get you.
So we headed out and made it our goal to see at least 6 lighthouses during our stay.
So join us on our lighthouse adventure.
But watch out for one of the most dangerous experiences we had at one of the lighthouses.
And look out for the diaper cream hack.
Yes, diaper cream hack. You need to see that. Hang on until the end because you want to see our very favorite lighthouse at the end and what made it our favorite.
We camped at Oregon Inlet Campground, which is the northernmost campground on Cape Hatteras National Seashore.
Which has awesome world-class fishing.
We did try to do some fishing, but I will say we didn't catch anything. Except for an umbrella at one point. Oregon Inlet Campground is open year-round and has 107 sites.
And the campground is located just behind the sand dunes, which is right on the beach. And the cool thing is, you can access the beach with your Jeep.
We are going to go check out one of the lighthouses today. And Taylor and Eric are with us. And the cutest things ever. The babies! Scarlett! Come on, Charlie!
All right, we're here at Bodie Lighthouse near Cape Hatteras, right across from where we are staying at Oregon Inlet. We were going to use the drone here, but there was a sign that said no drones.
The Bodie Lighthouse is celebrating 150 years this year, and you can actually go up in the lighthouse if you get reservations ahead of time.
We are here at Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. Now you might notice something about me. A little white on my lips, and I have photosensitivity. So my lips are getting so burned and blistered. So I was looking for some zinc. So here's a beach tip for you. Couldn't find any zinc. The lady at Dollar General said Desitin, yes, for babies' butts when they have a diaper rash, has the same amount of zinc in it, and you can use it just like you would zinc, and it's a lot cheaper. So this is my beach hack. This sting was on my neck, and it kind of picked and might have bit a little bit. So apparently that bug is a deadly kissing bug.
We don't know that for sure. That's why Dad's looking it up.
Well, of course, if there was a deadly kissing bug, it would land on my neck and bite me.
The Cape Hatteras Lighthouse was first lit in 1803, but it was only 90 feet tall, and they realized that wasn't tall enough to warn ships, so they had to add an additional 60 feet on top of the lighthouse. We are at Roanoke Marsh's lighthouse, and we got here and I'm like, where's the lighthouse? Kept looking for it. Once I show you, you'll realize why we didn't see it right away. Just over my shoulder is the Roanoke Marsh's lighthouse. Kind of a short one. Yeah, more like a house with a light instead of a light with a house.
The museum inside the lighthouse is free to visit. Roanoke Marsh's lighthouse stands just 37 feet tall.
We're getting ready to head into the Roanoke Island Maritime Museum.
The Maritime Museum is a working boat shop where volunteers and staff take on projects including small craft restoration and new boat construction.
Which lighthouse is this, guys?
Which one is this? Currituck?
Because I'm so fun.
Nobody knows what lighthouse it is. I believe it's called Currituck.
The Currituck Beach Lighthouse is the last brick and mortar lighthouse built in North Carolina.
You can actually climb the 220 steps to the top of the lighthouse. All right, we're at the Ocracoke Island Light Station, so we are going to go check it out.
Ocracoke Lighthouse is the oldest North Carolina lighthouse in operation and the second oldest in the United States. The lighthouse is 75 feet tall and 5 feet thick at the bottom. It's not open for climbing, but you are able to go inside the lighthouse.
So tell me, Lefty,
This
what
is my
happened?
day.
What happened? Did you fall out of the lighthouse?
I fell down the stairs in a lighthouse.
Cape Lookout Lighthouse is one of the most difficult to get to because it's only accessible by boat or ferry.
Cape Lookout Lighthouse is 163 feet high. The lighthouse has 269 stairs, but is currently being renovated and is not open to the public. Visiting these lighthouses in the Outer Banks turned out to be a great adventure.
We would love to hear from you. We want to know about what adventures have you taken that you thought at first were going to be terrible or maybe not so fun and turned out to be extraordinary. So leave some comments below and let us and share with us those things that you did.
And one of the neat things about going to the lighthouses is it took us places we never would have gone.
From one end of the Outer Banks to the other.
To the other. So remember, exploring, looking for things out of the ordinary, just having fun in general allows you to be free.
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.